Good morning, guys. It is so early in the morning right now because you guys voted for me to go to the gym before work. And so I am wearing the outfit that you guys voted. My alarm's going off. Okay, sorry. I have to set like 1,020,000 alarms or else I'm not getting up. But anyway, I have the outfit that you guys voted. It is these like blue shorts here, and these are Nike, super cute. And then I also have this sports bra. It is so cute, I love it. And then I just covered it up with a tank, obviously, because I'm not just gonna wear a sports bra and shorts to Planet Fitness. But yeah, so let's get going. What is up, guys? Okay, so I just got done at the gym. This morning was a really slow filming process because I had to get up at 4:30 in the morning, so obviously I'm not going to be super energetic, but now I am back to my normal self. It is around 7:30, so yeah, so I got up at 4:30. I put on the super cute outfit that you guys had me wearing. Let me just increase the brightness on this. There we go. Yeah, kind of. But anywho, so I put on the super cute outfit that you guys had picked out, and then yeah, so then I just went to the gym before work like you guys voted, and then I just put on my everyday makeup once again like you guys voted. I was going to have you guys vote on my, sorry guys, I'm tired. But I was going to have you guys vote on my outfit, but I'm dumb and I didn't bring the right jeans, so one of the outfits is out, so you don't really get a say in the outfit that I wear today. I'm super excited for this video, and it's only beginning. I'm gonna see if you guys think I should get my nails done because they are bad. That's my progress that I've made so far. I feel like I've been so productive and I feel very proud of myself right now. I asked you guys if I should go to Starbucks or Dunkin', and I don't know what the answer is, so I'm really excited to find out. So the answer is Starbucks! Yay! So far, I've agreed with every single voting that has came in, so I am very excited to go get Starbucks. I feel like Instagram has no good filters. I hate them all. This is broken. I totally feel like I'm gonna hit the curb. No, I'm not. Look at me. This Starbucks is literally so nice, and I'm really hoping that the woman that's usually here in the window is here, because she is like on fire for life and she's just so happy, and I love her and she's just so nice. So we shall see if she's here. That's like gonna be my saying today, is we shall see. Hi! Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Okay, so it wasn't the same person, but they were still just so nice. Like, I literally love this Starbucks so much. Oh, go ahead, sir. He looks like a sweet man. Okay, so I just got to work. It is 7:41. I come to work the earliest out of everyone on my team. Usually people from my team come anywhere from like 8 to 9. I'm usually always at work at 8 o'clock just because like I like to take a half-an-hour lunch break, so I come in at 8 and then I leave at 4:30 just because I have an hour commute to work and an hour commute back, so it's long. But I'm super excited because I get to show you guys my little cubicle, and I know that doesn't sound very cool, but honestly my cubicle is cute. I'm right across from Kara, who I absolutely love. She's actually getting a YouTube channel at some point, but I don't know when. But I don't know how much of Rue I'm allowed to show you, just because I don't know what the policy is. And I don't know, like I don't know, and I'm not trying to get fired, so I'm just gonna stick to as minimal as possible, just because, yeah, I'm not trying to get fired. I love my job, okay? But no, like Route 21 is honestly such a cool place to work, and I don't know, I love it, and everyone that I work with is so nice, and I don't know. But guys, I'm so excited. Okay, I need to go change for work and then clock in and all that fun stuff, so bye. Guys, here's my little cube. I have pictures of me and my mom, and they always give us like this Rue pillow whenever you get started. And it says, "We never stand still." And then I have like these 2 Rue mugs. One is like my coffee mug, and then the other one is for like pencils. I have these like little these fake flowers. I got like my little phone, my big monitor, which I also have a laptop on top of it. Here's some more decorations of just like me and my friends. Here's me and my brother and my mom. So I have all that. I have all like my folders, another folder, this cute little blanket, and then I have some of my masterpieces over here. Guys, you just missed the most dramatic thing ever. I look like crap, by the way, because I don't have AC and I got stuck in traffic for literally an hour of like stand still traffic. We were not moving. But yeah, no. Oh my gosh. So I come home and I hear this bee, right? And I obviously, like, I'm not stupid. Like, I hear the buzz. So I was like, okay, like I know there's a bee in here. And I mean, it was angry. Like, it was like intense, like, but I couldn't figure out where it was. It sounded like it was like, it literally sounded like it was on my legs, behind me, and in front of me all at the same time. I'm not even being dramatic. So I like froze as soon as I heard it. And I was like, okay. And I was like waiting for it because I was like, I want to get it. And so I finally spotted it. It was by the stove. So I like put my sweater over my shoulder and I like start creeping up to it. And then I go to swing. I missed. So what did I do? I ticked it off really badly. And so then it's like flying around me. It was a scene. I wish I would have recorded it. It was literally such a scene. So this bee is like flying around me and all I want to do is cook dinner. I'm hungry. I was stuck in traffic for so long. I was actually, and I don't have AC right now, which makes everything so much worse. I was so angry. So this bee is like literally just flying around. And so now I am locked up in my bedroom because I'm too scared to go out in my common area because I'm scared I'm gonna get stung because I really ticked off that bee. So that's how I'm going right now. But you guys voted for me to go get my nails done, so I did. They look like this. They're pretty plain. Yeah, so I just got just white nails. And I got them pretty short, pretty natural looking, but I really, really, really like them. For the very, very first time, I got, like, I hate to say this, but I feel like every time I go and get my nails done, the person that does my nails is just so, it's not that they're mean, because I don't think they mean to be mean, but like, they're speaking in another language. I have this strong, super strong urge that they are talking about me, which I don't know. I don't speak, like, I don't know. I do not know for sure. But they always make comments about how my nails are short, how I have a lot of cuticles, and that my nails are brittle. And they always make comments, and this was the first time I could have kissed this man. Not really. I was so happy. He never once made a mean comment towards my nails, and he didn't talk to the people around him in another language, so like I wasn't concerned that he was talking about me. Comment down below if you guys have that same feeling. Like, when you go to get your nails done, do you feel like they're talking about you? Because I do every single time. I mean, that could just be anxiety, that could just be me being paranoid, but I have a strong, strong urge that they're talking about me. I don't know. The next poll is going to be, so whenever I come home, I usually eat dinner, and I was going to have you guys vote, but to be honest, I wanted to eat something so fast because one, I was starving, I was super, super hot from sitting in that car for so long, and then B, I was trying to hide from the angry bee that was flying around my kitchen. So you guys did not get to vote on that. Okay, so I'm gonna have you guys decide whether I'm supposed to watch The Kissing Booth or 13 Reasons Why. In the meantime, I am also going to be putting up a poll on whether or not I should do a face mask. So I asked you guys whether I should clean my room because it is a mess, or if I should have a pamper night, and you guys said pamper night. And then I asked you if I should watch 13 Reasons Why or The Kissing Booth, and the votes are in. You guys said The Kissing Booth, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to watch this for so long. And it gives me just enough time to watch it before I go to bed, so I'm so excited. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I look so crazy. It's not even funny, but I don't really care because you guys see me literally looking good, bad, day, night, all that fun stuff. You guys literally, I do not have a filter on my channel, but I will say that today was so much fun just having you guys sort of be with me all day and pretty much control my day. I also want to go ahead and remind you before I let you go that I'm going to be posting 2 times a week now, not just one. I'm going to be posting on Sundays and on Thursdays, and sometimes if I feel like it, there will be a bonus video on Tuesdays. So look forward to that. So like I said, Sundays and Thursdays, and sometimes on Tuesdays. So I hope that you guys subscribe, turn on that post notification if you want to be notified every single time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in a couple days. Bye.